Let's try to blow this out. GLory, you're blowing out your egg. Hey beautiful CVPs, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive. GLory's here with me. If you're new here, give us a like, smash the subscribe button, let me know what you think, and turn on notification. Right, GLory? Right, GLory? Okay guys, once you did everything, let's go. Oh, somebody's happy. This is GLory. And GLory has been a very busy girl lately because guess what? GLory, you want to tell them? What? Did you lay another egg? No way. Now there's 2 eggs. Wow, this is warm. GLory, I'm going to take your egg away. And it's not broken. So guys, GLory lay another egg. What, GLory? Yeah! Look, check this out. This is GLory's egg. GLory, did you lay this egg? GLory, you want to be a mom? You do? This is your egg. You remember? She remembers. So you read the title, guys. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna candle GLory's egg and show you if it's fertile or it's not fertile. And there is a lot to tell and talk about how to tell if a bird's egg is fertile. So the first thing is you have to ensure that the egg that you want to breed is already fertile in her body. Like she needs a male Hyacinth Macaw to come on top of her and make this egg fertile. She can also lay an egg that's not fertile without any other male Hyacinth Macaws. Right? So let's see if this egg is fertile. You want it fertile or you want it infertile? GLory's so happy. Hi, GLory. Okay, check this out. I got this. This is an egg candler. And check this out. Whoa, whoa. This is an egg candler. Look how bright. Oh, GLory, don't bite me. So we're gonna put this egg on top of this egg candler, and I will show you if GLory's egg is infertile. So first things first, before we do that, if we look inside an egg, it shows an embryo and vascular net. That means it's fertile. If it just shows a dot and a egg yolk, that's not fertile. There are 3 ways to show if an egg is fertile or infertile. The first way is an egg candler. The second way is water. The egg, if it's fertile and it's warm, the egg has to move and float in the water, and it has to move in the water. The third option is to break the egg and look if there's an embryo inside. Oh, somebody hungry. Okay, I'm gonna bring GLory over to her cage because she is right now not happy. Okay guys, so GLory is out right now in her cage. You can hear her screaming. This is GLory's egg, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna candle it. And I'm gonna show you if this egg is fertile or not fertile, and we're gonna go really dark in this closet and see if there's some vascular lines. Okay guys, I'm right now in my closet, and it has to be really, really dark in order to see this egg if it's fertile. So let's check it out. So this is GLory's egg. And right here, this is GLory's egg. You can see right here the yellow yolk. Right here's the yellow yolk. And look, If I turn it around, guys can see that. You see that? It has already a crack right there. So I don't see any bloodlines. I don't see any vascular net. I don't see any embryo. So basically this egg, this hyacinth egg, is not fertile. It's not fertile. Here's the egg yolk. Wow. Now let's turn it around. So just turn it around. You can see now the egg yolk is right here. It's all yellow. And now look. There's already a crack right here. Right here, GLory's egg has a crack. Check that out. Alright guys, there you have it. This is GLory's egg that I just candled with the egg candler, and it's not fertile because there's no vascular net, there's no embryo, there's no sign of life. This is an empty egg with a yolk. There's nothing in it. I don't even need to do the water float because there's nothing in it. I can see right now it's just empty, but let's break it apart and just blow it out and see what comes out. Now, if an egg would be fertile, it will look like this. GLory! Look who's here! GLory just came. GLory, we're gonna blow out your egg. Okay, so this is GLory's egg right now here. I don't want to break it because it's so cool. I don't know when will be the next time she's gonna lay an egg. And this is such a sweet little egg. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow out GLory's egg. So I'm gonna try to keep this egg as much as possible intact and just kind of catch the yolk. So I'm gonna put like an Easter egg, 2 holes, top and bottom. We just checked this egg, it's not fertile. So let's see. Somebody's excited. Okay, so I have to be real careful. So let's put a little hole in here. I hope it won't break. GLory wants her egg back. Now we're gonna blow it out. We're gonna blow it out, okay? Gonna blow it out. Okay, let's do this. So a little hole right here. GLory's happy. Little hole right here, like a little Easter egg. I'm scratching the surface of this egg. GLory, don't bite me. Somebody's happy. Somebody's happy. You see, I'm scratching out the egg, making here a little dent. We have to get the universe, don't we, GLory? Okay, I just got a hole in here. Look. There we go. There we go. We just dent GLory's egg. Right here. GLory! Don't. We just dent her egg. So you see guys, I just put a hole in GLory's egg. Now I'm gonna put a hole on the other side so I can blow it out. So I just need another tiny hole right here at the back. Wow, the calcium is very soft. The egg almost broke. Wow, the shell is so soft. GLory, no! Okay. So now that I have 2 holes on 2 sides of the egg, somebody's happy. Let's try to blow this out. GLory, you're blowing out your egg. Wow. just attacked the camera. Oh, she's so excited. Glory! Please just blow out your... No! Don't attack the camera. Look! Glory! Okay. This is the last bit of Glory's egg. Look how small this is. Glory! Hi guys, we are back. Glory is not happy that we blew out her egg. Look at her reaction. Oh my gosh, she is mad. Don't break the swapper, Glory. No. Ugh. Okay, let me get... Glory, don't break this. We need the fly swapper. Glory. Glory, don't like... Come. Step up. Step up. Guys, did you saw Glory's reaction? OMG, she dumped the camera. She jumped my Joby stick. Alright, let's get everything back set up. Okay, guys. This is Glory's empty egg that we just blow out. This was the content of Glory's egg. Let's fry this up and let's do something awesome with this. Should we fry it up? Okay guys, here it is. Glory's egg totally fried. Glory! You want to eat your own egg? Oh my gosh, no, I'm not gonna eat it. Glory, this is your egg. This was supposed to be another hyacinth baby. Now it's just a piece of scrambled egg. Wait, you want to eat it? What? So, should I feed this to Glory? Glory, check this out. This is Glory's. Wow, this is so different. This is so different than just chicken eggs. You can totally see. Oh, it's hot. You can totally see the difference right here. Oh, it's hot. Okay, Glory, you want to try? It's hot. It's hot. You made this. You created this egg. You created this egg. Here, Glory, here's your egg. She says, you like it? You like it? Oh my gosh, she's eating her own egg. You like it? Oh my gosh, she loves her egg. Oh my gosh. Glory is eating her own fried egg. You created it, yeah. And she's happy, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this was the vlog. If you like this vlog, give us a thumbs up. Check out my other videos. Glory can't get enough of her own egg that I just fried up for her, which is not fertile. I don't know if it's good to feed her the egg, but it seems like she likes it. Does you like your own egg? If you haven't seen my last video about her egg, I'm going to link it right up here and also in the description. Go check out her last video, how she laid 2 eggs. Okay guys, this was the vlog. Give me a like. Give me a like. Tell me what you think about this whole Glory's egg frying and candling. If this was interesting for you, if this was educational or just entertaining, just let me know. Comment below. I'll see you next time in a new I'll see you next time in a new episode of Carolin on Petzholdt. GLory says bye. Say bye. Say bye to our CVPs. Oh, you want your egg? Oh, look, she can't get enough of her own egg.